Vaccination is crucial in combating epidemics, but optimizing the vaccine supply chain to maximize coverage and societal benefits remains a challenge. The Hong Kong Polytechnic University's Department of Logistics and Maritime Studies is researching optimal solutions for increasing vaccination coverage in various scenarios.
I think after the COVID-19, everyone knows that there are infectious diseases, and it's very important to control the spread of the diseases. To this end, we know that vaccination is the most effective way to control the spread of those diseases. However, the infection rate is very serious, but the coverage rate of the vaccination is limited. The reason why the vaccination coverage is low may be due to insufficient supply or maybe due to insufficient cooperation between the public hospitals and the private clinics. As we all know that the public hospitals cannot provide enough resources for vaccination to the people. We have to rely on the collaboration between public hospitals and the private clinics in order to improve the vaccination coverage. However, there is just limited studies on this topic. So that's why the Logistics Research Center would like to invest on this topic so as to improve the vaccination coverage for the benefit of the whole society. We will consider 3 schemes in the studies. The first one is without information sharing between the public hospitals and the private clinics. The second one is with information sharing between the 2 parties, and the public hospitals would provide some subsidy to the private clinics. The third one is a scheme with information sharing and allocation of the vaccination from the public hospital to private clinics. For each scheme, we will make use of scientific methods in terms of game theory to find the optimal solutions for each party. Then, we will compare the results of the schemes so that we can determine which scheme to use in which scenario. For each scheme, we would consider people into different groups. For example, for people with age 65 or above, we will consider this group as high-risk group. And the price for this group may be very low or even free of charge. Then we will consider some change in this group. For example, if we change 65 down to 63 or even down to 60, and then we will study the effect of this change towards the vaccination coverage, the subsidy, and the benefit of the whole society. The results of this study is very important, which not only provides theoretical contributions, but also practical management insights for the government to make decisions for the vaccination supply chain. Our model can be applied to any area or country in the world to maximize the benefit of the society, to control the spread of the disease.